Alright, so today we're going to be fixing this toolbox. I've broken all the clips on this toolbox here. And quick easy fix. We're going to fix it. You see how I've broken all the clips. Let me see, I'll show you. Broken clip. This is the only one that's left standing. Yeah. The other ones I stepped on them by accident. There's another one. There's the other one. Yep. So we're gonna fix this tool case with those. Got these at Home Depot for like $5 or so. Yep. And that's how it turns out to be. So, if you've broken your plastic clips from your toolbox, don't get rid of the toolbox, because it's the only way you get to be organized. Just use the chest clips. They've so far hold on. I tell you. Anyway, I was gonna say something stupid, but you know, it's done. Yes. Measure, do your thing. Now it works fine because, you know, it's not being held up over here, it's over here now. Alrighty? Does it work? Sure it does. Let's see. Take that one out. Take that one out. Bam. Tools. Cool? Cool. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. Done. Don't throw away your plastic casing for your tools. You can fix it. Just a little bit of logic, which apparently I didn't have today, will help you fix it. Alright guys, I'm leaving. See you later.